Testing out a GoPro Hero 3. I got it from a yard sale. We're in Clearwater, Florida, Courtney Campbell Causeway. I got this Chevy Cruze at the auction. 2011. It was I want to say $27.50. Nobody wanted it because it was 6-speed manual. I got a good deal on it. If I drive at 55, 60 miles an hour with the AC off, it gets 50 miles to the gallon. It does that good. I got a 2012 Eco Chevy Cruze. It gets 52. They're real good on gas if you drive them easy. This was a really good deal. Nobody wanted it because it was a 6-speed manual. I'm glad I got it. The only problems I had with it, I had different wheels on it, and the wheels vibrated. They were real nice wheels, aluminum wheels, but they vibrated. I took these wheels off of my other Cruze and put them on. The neighbor did it for me. So I got the wheels that don't vibrate at all now. I need to find one of those for a spare. The only maintenance I did to this is change the oil. When I got it, it had a hub bearing noise in the right rear. And I need to get a new hub put in. I just keep putting it off. It's gonna need tires too. We're down here in Clearwater, Florida. I put a Wilson 1000 trunk clip mount for the CB. That was very hard to find. That mount took 3-4 years to find on eBay. You can't just find them. They haven't made them since the 80s. I really like this Chevy Cruze. Think it's got 10 airbags. I wonder how this camera's filming. When I made a video yesterday, you could hardly hear the voice. Maybe there's a mic that needs turned up. Here comes an airplane from St. B. Clearwater Airport. That might be the Coast Guard plane. I wonder if you can see it very good. I don't think there's any zoom on this. That might be Elegant Airlines. That's a regular jet going back up north, taking people for Christmas. I wonder how good the video turned out. My voice is messed up. I'm almost losing it. I really like these wheels. I need a 5th one for a spare, a matching spare. They had one at LKQ, they wanted too much money. They wanted over $100 for a wheel and a tire. It's crazy. And they make you buy an extended warranty if you want to bring back the tire. The car they were on, I could have had the whole car for 500 bucks. And the guy never called me back, he just junked it. The car ran and drove, but it had a bad transmission. It had these same wheels on it. The tires were garbage. And they make you buy an extended warranty if you want to bring back the tire. It's crazy. I really like this car. Whoever had it, there were 3 owners on the Carfax. I think they were all ladies because it's been to the Chevy dealership 29 times. It had an extended warranty on it. It runs really good. The clutch is good too. It doesn't use any oil. It doesn't smoke. The AC isn't real cold, but it's cold. And it doesn't overheat. The other Cruze overheats. I wonder how this video will turn out.